Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HYLN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another eventful day, unfortunately, in the bearish direction, and updates need to be made here. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of a couple of these lines here. Sure, these levels pertain to, they're just not necessarily the most relevant, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But the first big update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into the day, that 1990 mark was an area of support, but then you can see when the price ultimately did break down below it right there, that's what opened up the momentum to the downside. So now going forward, if there is any sort of attempted consolidation and then bounces back upwards, the key level of resistance now becomes that 1990 mark as hurdle number one. And then hurdle number two, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, would be that purple line right there, the 50 period moving average. But don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves. Let's just first see if the price can not only bounce up to that level, but then get up above 1990. And then at that point, it makes more sense to, put more focus on that 50 period moving average. But nonetheless, those are going to be the two key levels of resistance moving forward. As far as levels of support, we may need to go another time frame because this may just get too hard to see. No, we'll make this work. And I get it, it is hard to see, but this just illustrates, the fact of just how long it's been since the price has been up around this area of the chart. But next key level of support to keep an eye on moving forward, going to be right down there at the $19 mark. And then if $19 cannot quite hold up, next key level after that, down there around $18.50. So another rough day. One day left, but we'll see how this one continues to play out. But as of right now, yeah, the bears remain definitely in full control. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.